All right, so now we're looking at making generalizations about multiplying with fractions part 2. And here are 3 generalizations. So you may have actually come up with these when we were looking for patterns and everything. There's one that says all of the products are less than 1. So if we look here, on this, every single product is in fact less than 1, right? You can multiply the numerators and the denominators, and that will give you the product. So here, 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 3 is 6, 1 times 5 is 5, 2 times 6 is 12, 3 times 1 is 3, 4 times 2 is 8. And the product is less than both of the fractions being multiplied. 1/12 is less than 1/6 and 1/2. 1/8 is less than 1/4 and 1/2. 6/12 is less than 2/3 and 3/4. So all of these products here. So now what I want you to do is I want you to think, do these hold true? Do these generalizations hold true in, I think, 3 different ways? In 3 ways. Fraction by fraction. So when I have a fraction and I multiply it by a fraction, okay, or all of these, and I should say proper fractions. So proper fractions less than 1. Are all these 3 things true? If I have a fraction multiplied by a mixed number, okay, are all 3 of these things true? And a fraction by a whole number. Okay, so we're going to do an investigation. You're going to investigate 6 different equations to see if they hold true for all 3 things. And which 6 are you going to look at? Well, I'm going to tell you. So here are the 6 equations that you're going to do, okay, and see where they go. Kind of think about it. Does it prove these? Does it not prove them? Okay, which ones fit? Right, you can write, okay, when you find the answer, you can write that on each one that it fits. Okay, if it only fits 1, just put it under 1. All right, so you're going to stop now and you're going to figure out all 6 of these equations. And you're going to think to yourself, where do they go? Where is the product less than 1? I multiplied the numerators and denominators and that got me the product. The product is less than both of the fractions being multiplied or both of the factors. Maybe we can take that to factors. Both of the factors. That might be better. Okay, so where do these fit? Okay, so solve the problems. Think about where they fit here. They could fit 1, 2, 3. You'll see. All right. And the next video will show you some of the answers and where I think they belong.